You did it! You made it through the Baby Shower Resource Hub. And we're so proud of you for taking the time to dive deeper into these tools and resources. But this is just the beginning. At Latched Support, we believe learning doesn't stop once the baby shower ends. And we're here to walk with you every step of the way. If you're still pregnant, be sure to join us for one of our car seat safety workshops. You'll learn how to safely install your car seat and receive a free car seat before your baby arrives. It's one of our most popular classes and it fills up fast. You can also sign up for our Childbirth Readiness Workshop, where we take a deeper look into what to expect for labor, how to prepare, and how to feel confident going into birth. If you've already had your baby, come join our parenting support program, where we keep learning together. You'll be matched with a family support specialist who will meet with you one-on-one to talk about milestones, growth and development, child safety, ways to play with purpose, and much more. Plus, you'll get helpful items like diapers, clothes, and supplies along the way. So whether you're preparing for baby or already in the thick of it, you're not doing this alone. We're here, we see you, and we can't wait to keep growing with you. So when you're ready, head to our website to sign up for your next workshop. Everything is there, easy to access, and always free. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media and YouTube to stay connected, where you'll always catch helpful videos, great reminders of upcoming events, and we share new tips and tools to support you and help you feel confident every step of the way. So we hope to see you there, and we hope you stay latched.